In this video, I'll show you how Juji uses the power of generative AI to auto-generate a conversational survey quickly and efficiently, speeding up both development and deployment times. From within Juji, click to create a new chatbot. From the Select a Channel to host your AI helper, select Website. From the Choose a way to create your AI helper, choose Template. Find the template, General Interview. Click Create. When asked what would you like to do next, click Customize Chatbot. Choose Use AI to help. Juji will ask you to give me something to start with. In target audience, put customers. In survey goal, put opinion about Weight Watchers. And for the number of interview questions to be generated, choose 5. Click Generate Sample Chat. After a few seconds, you will see an AI-generated sample conversation based on your input. Check this for an example of how a conversation which includes elements you provided will look. Now click Apply to my chatbot. Within a few minutes, your chatbot will be generated. Click View Updated Chatbot. Go to Main Chat Flow. Within this template, you will notice that there is a welcome message and you'll be asked if you want to begin the survey. You will also notice that 5 questions have been generated based on the information you provided. How did you hear about Weight Watchers? What do you think of Weight Watchers' approach? What has been your experience with Weight Watchers? What do you think sets Weight Watchers apart? What do you think are the biggest benefits to Weight Watchers? All of these were generated by generative AI. Now let's preview what we created. So we see the welcome message, and Ava then asks if we're ready to get started. Ava first asks, could you tell me a bit about yourself? She acknowledges that response and then asks, what do you like to do in your free time? Again, Ava acknowledges that response. Then she starts with the first of the AI-generated survey questions. The first question is, how did you first hear about Weight Watchers? Again, that message is acknowledged, and then question 2 is asked. What do you think of Weight Watchers' approach to weight loss and healthy living? Ava acknowledges, and then asks another of the AI-generated survey questions. What has been your experience with Weight Watchers, if any? Another acknowledgement, and another question. What do you think sets Weight Watchers apart from other weight loss programs? Another acknowledgement, and another question. What do you think are the biggest benefits to Weight Watchers? Ava acknowledges my final answer to the final question and thanks me for taking the time to complete the survey.